Hello, my name is Joshua Wel. I'm an automotive specialist from Germany. Today I would like to talk about windshield wiper applications in vehicles and tell you about igus bearings solutions inside. We all know windshield wipers are important for vehicle safety, making sure you can see during bad weather. If your wipers fail to work during a rain or snowstorm, it would likely result in a serious crash. Therefore, it's so important that they can move reliable at any time. Igus plain bearings are known for their durability and maintenance-free operation, using solid lubricants embedded directly in the material. But what makes them so special inside this kind of application? First, igus plain bearings are made from high-performance polymers that are extremely wear-resistant and have no problems with corrosion. This means, unlike a normal metal bearing, they work reliable even in harsh conditions like rain, snow, dirt, and more. Second, they are self-lubricating. This means they don't require additional grease, which highly reduces the maintenance cost. Not only are our bearings lubrication-free, but the entire bearing is also made out of tribologically optimized material. This helps to ensure smooth silent operation for the lifetime of the bearing. Last but not least, the lifespan. igus has decades of lab testing for our optimized polymers. Our iglidur bearings have a longer lifespan compared to traditional metal bearings, making them a cost-effective solution. Igus plain bearings in windshield wipers offers a reliable, corrosion-free, maintenance-free and long-lasting solution that works under all weather and media conditions. But don't just take my word for it. Set up a call today with one automotive bearing expert. Let us get you some free samples so you can start testing and succeeding with igus today. Use the link in the description below to set up your virtual igus appointment today. Thank you for watching this video.